U of C Chemistry has about 680 undergraduate students at all levels and about 120 graduate students and 40 postdoctoral scholars and research associates. The Department of Chemistry was interested in Bench-top NMR for our undergraduate students because we have a researcher, Greg Welch, who has a few of these in his research laboratory, and we had a pilot program where some of the labs were tested with the Bench-top NMR.
Using the Bench-top NMR really allows students to experience an advanced method and use it with their own hands, which in my experience really gets them much more engaged in the experiment and allows them to understand the method much better. The Bench-top NMR that Nanalysisissa provides is a fantastic teaching tool. It's inexpensive, it's high performant, and it's very robust.
NMR is a very important technique for the students to get access to. If they go on into research, NMR is one of the fundamental instrumentation techniques that they will use. Additionally, with the instruments that we have, they get to experience heteronuclear NMR, which again is something they might not have access to at this level, and is something, if they carry on in inorganic chemistry or in organic chemistry, is a very important technique for them to be familiar with and a very important characterization method for them to learn about. So the fact that the instrument leaves a very small footprint and it's portable, it's an incredible asset. We can use it in whichever lab we need it in. If we develop new experiments in a different course that needs the instrument, we can transport it to that lab, and we can set it up basically where we need to.
We wanted the undergrad students to have a hands-on experience using NMR instrumentation. The model that we're using for Nanalysisissa is the Nanalysisissa 60 Pro, and we actually have two different models of this instrument. One instrument is tuned to proton and phosphorus 31, and the second model is tuned to fluorine 19 and boron 11. The department chose Nanalysisissa for a number of reasons. First of all, I did some homework and looked at other companies that offered benchtop NMR systems. Nanalysisissa had a really nice footprint, and that was important for us to have something small and compact and robust. Also, what I liked about Nanalysisissa was the versatility that they offered and the ability to analyze more than just one nucleus. We've been very pleased with the benchtop NMR systems by Nanalysisissa, and they are perfect for our undergrad program. It gives our students a hands-on experience of preparing their NMR samples, analyzing these samples firsthand, observing the results before their eyes, and then processing those results.